On a peaceful morning in Meadow Hollow, 4 little guinea pigs.
Good morning, sun. Hello, bright day.
Today feels special. I have a big idea. Big ideas start so small.
Is the idea edible?
Nibbles always thought with his tummy.
Crunch, crunch, munch, munch, munch.
We could build something amazing.
Squeaky loved building clever things.
Think it, build it, try again. And we'll make it beautiful.
Luna made everything feel warm and kind. Let's build our own tiny fortress.
Yay! Build it strong, build it bright.
Towers here, tunnel there. They plan together carefully. Plan it first, then be first.
They gathered supplies. Pick it up, carry along.
These will decorate our fortress. Pretty petals everywhere.
Strong stones make strong walls. Strong and steady. Just 1 snack or 5. Snack attack! By evening, everything was ready. Good work today.
Teamwork time. Lift together.
Oops. Uh-oh.
They laughed and tried again. Try again.
Oh no, the rain! Drip, drop!
Protect the fortress. Stay strong.
This will help. Build it smart. The fortress survived. We did it!
Invention time. Think and tinker.
Lift it easy! Wow! So magical! Secret surprise! The fortress became beautiful!
Make it shine. Best room ever. Snacky snack.
Look what we made!
But then...
What's that?
Hello there.
Is it friendly?
We're not afraid.
Be brave! Can I help?
Teamwork grew bigger, helping paws.
Let's celebrate! Party time!
Spin and hop.
Thank you! Sharing is caring!
Night wrap the meadow. Good night.
We did this together!
Dream big.
They slept safely
Sleep tight.
in the nighttime.
A new day began.
hello again. Let's grow more. Grow, grow, grow. So many ideas! What's next?
A tiny dream came true.
So proud. Best day ever, friends forever.
Small friends, big hearts.
Together.
See you next adventure. Bye-bye.
Like, share, and subscribe for more cozy animal stories.